Pyridine is six-membered heterocyclic compound. It is also known as azine, and its formula is C5H5N. So, six-membered ring is made up of 5 carbon atoms and 1 nitrogen atom at first position, and there are 3 double bonds. The next, देखो राजे structure of pyridine. Molecular formula already done. Then nature of nitrogen. Pyridine is basic in nature because nitrogen is lone pair present है. So it forms salt with acid. So pyridine HCl ਦੇ ਨਾਲ pyridine hydrochloride salt बन रहा है. It neither reacts with the HNO2 nor with acetyl chloride. So therefore pyridine is neither a primary nor a secondary amine. It only reacts with the acids to form salts. It does not react with nitrous acid and acetyl chloride, so it is not a primary or secondary amine. It reacts with the equimolar quantities of methyl iodide to form quaternary ammonium salt. So ਜਿਹੜੀ pyridine है ये mono acidic tertiary base है. ये सानू जो students पता लग रहा by different types of reaction. Basic nature show कर रहा है by reaction with HCl, but it react नहीं कर रहा with nitrous acid and acetyl chloride. इसको ये indication मिल रही है it is neither a primary or a secondary amine, but a methyl iodide नाल react करके quaternary salt बना रहा है. So its nature is it is monoacidic tertiary base. The nature of carbon skeleton, as the formula shows, it contains 5 carbon atom and 5 hydrogen atom, and there is 1 nitrogen atom. It suggests that pyridine has a high degree of unsaturation because number of hydrogen as compared to carbon, जो saturated compounds ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੁੰਦਾ CnH2n, but here carbon number is 5 and hydrogen number is also 5. So there is a greater degree of unsaturation, means presence of double bond or maybe triple bond. But still it behaves like a saturated compound. No doubt there is unsaturation, there is many deficiency of hydrogen, but जो इसका behavior है, it behave like saturated compound. ये किसको पता लग रहा है? It does not undergo addition reaction with halogen and halogen acid. It also does not decolorize Beer's reagent. Beer reagent ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਹ react ਕਰਕੇ उसका color disappear नहीं कर रहा. That is called aqueous alkaline KMnO4 solution. What is Beer's reagent? It is called aqueous alkaline KMnO4 solution. It is stable toward the oxidizing agent. अगर ये unsaturated है, then according to reactivity of alkene, it should react with the Beer's reagent. It should not be stable toward oxidizing agent. It should undergo addition reaction with halogen and halogen acid. So, ये जो reactions are stability of this pyridine towards these reactions suggest that it behave like benzene, so like aromatic compounds. Then aromatic character of pyridine follows from the following reaction. जो evidence है जो show कर रही है it can be aromatic compound because it undergoes aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions like halogenation, nitration and sulfonation in similar to benzene. So pyridine है इससे which nitration हो रही है at high temperature, so nitro group पर substitute कर रहा है. Similarly sulfonation and on reaction with halogen it gives rise to halogenated pyridine. Next is like alkyl derivatives of benzene. Alkyl derivative of pyridine also, they are oxidized to corresponding pyridine carboxylic acid ਜਿਵੇਂ benzene ਵਾਲੇ ਕੇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ when there is branching there is presence of side groups. It undergoes oxidation giving rise to benzoic acid. In the same way ये जो pyridine है with the substituent at ring it undergoes oxidation giving rise to pyridine carboxylic acid. So this reaction also indicates its aromatic nature. The next is amino derivatives of pyridine like aniline can be diazotized and coupled with phenol. Means ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ diazonium salt बन सकता है and वो further की है phenol वगैरह ना react करेगा. Hydroxyl derivative of pyridine they behave like phenol. So all these reactions indicate its aromatic nature. The next topic is Corner's formula. On the basis of evidence given above, Corner assigned the following structure to pyridine, like Kekulé structure to benzene. So this is the structure of a pyridine. Above reaction show कर रही है कि जो pyridine है, it is a stable compound. It's not like an unsaturated alkene or alkynes. So it suggested that pyridine has this type of structure similar to benzene as suggested by Kekulé. This structure of pyridine is supported by the following observation. First, pyridine when reacts with hydrogen in presence of metal like nickel or platinum, it gives rise to hexahydropyridine, also known as piperidine. So this is a cyclic structure when it reacts with hydrogen, or we can say when we add hydrogen to the pyridine in presence of metal like nickel or platinum, all the double bonds are reduced, means addition of hydrogen takes place across the double bonds and we get a saturated cyclic compound known as piperidine. This cyclic structure of pyridine has been confirmed by its synthesis from pentamethylene diamine. Also further ये जो reaction है further support कर रही है इस aromatic structures ਨੂੰ. सब तो पहला piperidine है. It can be synthesized from this open chain structure by heating. Then on dehydrogenation, means by removal of hydrogen, we can prepare pyridine. Pyridine forms 3 monosubstituted derivatives, 2, 3, 4 substituted pyridine, means substitution may take place at alpha position with respect to nitrogen. It may take place at beta position with respect to nitrogen. It may take place at gamma position with respect to nitrogen. So nitrogen at the first position, alpha is the second position, and beta is the third position. Gamma is the fourth position, and as we continue, fifth and sixth position. The next important part is a modern structure. Corner structure failed to explain its resistance to addition reaction. Corner ने किया structure predict की, but it failed. Its limitation किया है. It's resistant to addition reaction and relative ease with which undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction, and its extraordinary stability to the oxidizing agent. So Corner ने structure suggest की है, but उसने explanation नहीं दी why it is resistant. It show resistance to addition reaction, means it does not undergo addition reaction. Why it undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction, and why it is stable to the oxidizing agent. So in a properties ਨੂੰ explain ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ there is one more point. Modern structure were suggested. First is resonance structure. Pyridine is considered to be resonance hybrid of following structure 1, 2, 5, and resonance energy is 125.5 kilojoule per mole. Since nitrogen is more electronegative than carbon, When we compare the electronegativity of nitrogen and carbon, nitrogen is more electronegative than carbon, so it can accommodate negative charge more effectively as compared to carbon in the case of benzene. So hence structures 3 and 4 make a significant contribution toward the resonance hybrid. So due to this, pyridine also has a high dipole moment 2.26 dY. So first of all, look here. In structure 1, there is simply shuffling of pi electron. So we get structure 1 and 2. Then nitrogen is more electronegative, so it can attract this pi electron of ring toward itself, and there comes negative charge on the nitrogen and positive charge on the carbon. Then further double bonds are in conjugation with this charge, and this positive charge spread all over the ring. So carbon positive charge acquire कर देंगे and nitrogen negative charge acquire कर रहे हैं. So this is pyridine, resonance structures of pyridine, and it is resonance hybrid of all these structures. Out of these 5 structures, there are 3 structures having negative charge on the nitrogen, but nitrogen is more electronegative, so it can easily accommodate negative charge on itself. Further, this resonance hybrid structure of pyridine is supported by bond length data. When we compare the bond lengths of these bonds with the experimental data, it supports this type of structure. Next topic is molecular orbital picture. In case of pyridine, there is nitrogen, and hybridization of nitrogen is sp2 hybridization. It has sp2 hybrid orbital and one unhybridized p orbital. So look here, nitrogen is sp2 hybridized, and there is one unhybridized p orbital. So nitrogen, this sp2 hybridized nitrogen forms 2 bonds with the adjacent carbon atoms, one bond and other bond, and one sp2 hybridized contain lone pair, and unhybridized p orbital on the nitrogen containing electron sidewise overlap with the unhybridized p orbital of carbon, because these carbons are also sp2 hybridized. So there is delocalization of pi electrons all over the ring. So these are the pi electron clouds lying above and below the plane of ring. This is plane of ring, and these dark rings are the pi electron clouds above and below the ring of plane. So we can represent the structure of pyridine in this way also by drawing the circle in this 6-membered ring. It shows the localization of pi electrons all over the ring. Next topic is methods of synthesis of pyridine and its derivative. First is from acetylene. 2 molecules of acetylene reacts with the hydrogen cyanide in presence of red hot tube, means at very high temperature we get pyridine. Second is from pentamethylene diamine hydrochloride. In this case, pentamethylene diamine hydrochloride इसनू हीट करते हैं, हीट करन ते cyclization हो रही है, formation of piperidine. Then upon oxidation with concentrated sulfuric acid at high temperature or by catalytic dehydrogenation with palladium carbon gives rise to pyridine. Third reaction is from the pyro, When heated with the methylene dichloride, pyrrole ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ react ਕਰਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ with methylene dichloride in presence of base sodium ethoxide. This pyrrole undergo ring expansion. Ring expansion, ring size increase हो रहा है. This is 5 membered ring है and size increase होके जो pyridine है, it is a 6 membered ring बन रही है. So there is ring expansion of pyrrole on treatment with methylene dichloride in presence of base. The next is from picoline. This is beta picoline. So if methyl group is attached on this ring, this is picoline. So on treatment with the potassium dichromate in presence of acid, it undergoes oxidation, giving rise to picolinic acid, and further on treatment with the calcium oxide and on heating it gives rise to pyridine by loss of carbon dioxide. The next from tetrahydrofuryl alcohol. Pyridine is generally manufactured by heating tetrahydrofuryl alcohol with ammonia in presence of alumina Al2O3 aluminum oxide at very high temperature 773 Kelvin. We get pyridine. The next very important reaction with mechanism in your syllabus, Hand's synthesis of a pyridine derivative. This is very important. This is general method for the synthesis of a pyridine derivative. It involves the condensation of beta ketoester or beta ketone. It may be ester or it may be ketone with ammonia and a suitable aldehyde. So when we react beta ketoester or beta ketone with aldehyde and ammonia, heat karange, then we get this structure 1. First here structure 1 banegi. Then we will do oxidation with nitric acid. With oxidation we will get structure 2. Here cyclization takes place and there are 2 double bonds in the structure, but when we react with nitric acid there is loss of hydrogen and formation of structure 2. Further on treatment with base and water and further on heating with in presence of calcium oxide, so decarboxylation of these groups takes place, we get a pyridine derivatives. What is the mechanism of this reaction? This reaction occurs by these steps. In first step, ethyl acetoacetate undergo tautomerism, so it can convert into enol form. This is keto form, this is enol form. So in enol form, OH group reacts with the ammonia, we get this structure. OH is replaced by NH2. On the other side, one molecule of acetaldehyde reacts with the other molecule of ethyl acetoacetate, and there is removal of a water molecule. So after removal of water molecule, we get structure 4. So in third step, this structure third and this fourth structure reacts with each other. This lone pair on the nitrogen, it shifts toward the carbon-nitrogen bond, and pi electron of carbon-carbon double bond attacks on the carbon of structure 4, and this double bond electron shifts toward the carbon-carbon group bond, and electron of this carbonyl group shift toward the oxygen. So we get this type of compound. So there is a formation of a new carbon-carbon bond, and then there is a rearrangement of electron. So this positively charged nitrogen gains electron from this carbon nitrogen double bond, and other side जो carbon carbon double bond है, that electron pair, by using that electron pair, carbon accepts proton from here, and reformation of carbon carbon double bond at this position by, and this here it is proton transfer takes place. Then in the next step there is a formation of ring. So there is loss of this proton, and lone pair on the nitrogen attacks on the carbonyl carbon present in this molecule, and formation of this type of compound. Then by loss of water molecule we get this structure. Now the structure is almost complete, but still there are only two double bonds, and there is need of one more double bond. So it is done by reaction with the nitric acid. So on reaction with nitric acid there is loss of hydrogen, it causes oxidation, and we get final product. Derivatives of pyridine.